This is the launch of our brand new STEAM building. We called it the Astrolab after a foundational navigational instrument that was created by Muslims. It's an area where we want our pioneers of the future to be instilled with and nurtured with the skills and mindsets to lead in the future.
I think the most exciting thing is the fact that I might be a bit biased as the state member, but I think I've got some of the smartest, most innovative students in all of New South Wales, if not Australia. And now they've got a fantastic building behind me to really ply their trade. I know that this is a school that's done amazing things in the area of robotics, and this is only going to take it to the next level. So very excited to see what comes next.
The brief at the beginning was to produce a place that builds pioneers of the future and change makers of the world. So every single what we considered as touch points where people, whether it's teachers or students or staff, they interact with, we took it as an opportunity to engage with them, to use it as a source of inspiration or motivation or some type of education.
It feels absolutely amazing just to see that we're here today. You know, we've been part of obviously putting the master plans together. So to see it come to life, you know, step by step, it's just an amazing feeling.
The building is one each of these young learners have the capacity to be pioneers. They will, if given the environment and those opportunities to do so. So a lot of the work is not really about the building, but taking these kids out, both in terms of their imagination, but also in terms of the experiences out into the world, but then bring them into the Astrolab. And that's the largest part of our opportunity and hope for these kids.